Today we are going to do a budget-friendly makeup tutorial. This is all drugstore. You could probably get this at CVS, Target, that kind of thing. We're gonna get started because I'm excited and I think this is gonna be a really fast tutorial. There's a couple things I want to do before I start. I want to just use this. I want to get a moisturizer on because I'm super dry. It's summertime right now. I already put an SPF. It's not drugstore friendly. I've yet to find a drugstore SPF that is, how do I say, up to my standards and doesn't break me out. So yeah, I know Neutrogena has one, but I don't know. That's a good one. So this is e.l.f. and it's the Super Hydrate Moisturizer. It's like a gel one, like a jelly. You guys, e.l.f. sponges though. I'm so excited about these sponges. You have no clue. Okay, so most of the stuff I haven't used before. I'm gonna go in with an LA Girl. I've used this and it's super like, I don't know, like a satin on your skin, but I'm gonna go in with foundation first. This one's beige and this one's sandy beige. I am kind of tanned, but you can't tell because my lighting is super like light, and so is my camera. This one is a matte foundation, but I find it to be oily at the end of the day, and I have really dry skin, so that just kind of tells you that, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna go ahead and start with some foundation, but it is full coverage. These e.l.f. sponges, you guys, I just got these in a PR kit. This one's the Total Face Sponge. Use wet or dry. I like to use mine wet, but oh my goodness, like, I love these sponges and they're super soft. Total dupe for Beauty Blender. Super good. Super soft. I've been using the same one but black for like so long. This is like my 5th one. Oh my gosh, I've been using it for years. And I'm so glad they came out with more that are just as soft, because I hate those like hard ones, which they don't have, where this one's really easy for concealer and it's so soft, you guys. I want to cry. We're good. Super full coverage, my favorite thing because I am a full coverage girl. And this is super affordable. This is LA Girl. And you can get this at a drugstore, which is so exciting. They have it at Ulta too. I consider Ulta like a half drugstore because you can get most of the stuff at Ulta at like CVS, you know? But I really do like this. Oh my God, it kind of smells like, I don't know if it's the sponge or the freaking foundation, but this foundation is bomb, guys. Wow, incredible. So that was the LA Girl foundation. That one was in beige. It's perfect for my sunless tan that I've got going on. It's a very slight sunless tan. I don't like it to be too orange. So this one's in medium sand. Ooh, I'm running out of this one. This is the darker one because you'll see the medium peach is really light. But I really like these, you guys. They're like my fave. Like, see that? Incredible. I might have to blend some concealer or some foundation with that. Okay, so I'm gonna use their concealer blender. I have a feeling this is gonna get dirty really fast, but these sponges, I can't get over them. They're so good. Going in with this Makeup Academy contour palette. Sorry, the lighting's changed. Clouds are going in and out. So I'm gonna go in with a little brush. Just gonna pat a little bit under my eyes because I'm not sure how this is gonna set. And I'm setting my eyes because look how bad they're creasing because I use that foundation on them. So this is not bad, but you can see it's accentuating my dark circle, which is like not what I'm going for today. I don't recommend that. Okay, so let's go back in with some concealer because Mama doesn't want that to show. It's probably gonna be so cakey under my eye, it's not even funny. Going in with the Wet n Wild bronzer. I'm gonna put everything down below, but this is the Color Icon bronzer, and then this color is called Ticket to Brazil. So hopefully this looks good on me. Oh, I really don't like that foundation under my eyes. I shouldn't have done that. Should have Okay, this is not coming out the way I like it to, and this is why sometimes some drugstore products fail. So this is like a first impressions too, but I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. concealer to really kind of warm myself up, because none of these products, they're kind of wiping away my melasma, like accentuating it, and that's not my thing, you know? So this concealer will cover it up plus bronze me, you know? Going in with this e.l.f. palette, this is the Opposites Attract e.l.f. palette, and I'm gonna be using all e.l.f. brushes. Looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the color Sassy and really work it in there. It's a pretty palette. There's so many cars going on right now and birds. I live next to a freeway, so it's like incredible. In the e.l.f. palette, I like how soft these shadows are. Sorry, I can't see. I like how soft they are. I'm gonna go in with the color called Warm and just really, hopefully they're not gonna, I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner. It's like my signature look, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's pretty. And there's pigment there, so it's nice. And these brushes are amazing. I'm gonna go in with the color Saucy. So I just used this palette. Going in with the color Saucy, and I'm gonna have like a really smudged out, pretty like copper look, like total Olsen Twins type of look going on. Okay, so I have like a little smudger brush. This is from e.l.f. and this is their smudge. Love it. Since I didn't set my under eyes, they're really, not creasy, but. Okay, so we're gonna do the eyebrows right now, and this is the Rimmel eyebrow pencil in, I think this is blonde. This is called Light. So we're gonna hopefully be okay with this. Now that I have this on, I really want to clean up my eyebrows. I'm hoping that it doesn't look too, like, you know, eyebrowy. Here we go. I feel like I just went too... Those are as good as my eyebrows are gonna get for this tutorial. I just feel like that pencil was really hard to work with. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the cheeks. I felt like I saw this really cute, where is it at? So this is like a pink highlighter. I'm hoping it's not too overpowering and it will give me a nice glow. So like I said, this is like a first impressions too. So far, so good. Okay. Pretty as a highlighter, but I don't think it's giving me any pigmentation for blush. Yeah, no, it's no pigmentation for blush for sure. Okay, so I found this CoverGirl really pretty liquid shadow, so we're gonna put this over the top. It's probably gonna be so cute. Hoping it doesn't take up my... This is the Rimmel Scandalize. Let's see how this goes. Using NYX Lustrese's lip. I love these because they're pigmented. They're lip glosses, but they're pigmented. I have these lashes from MUA, Makeup Academy. I believe that these are cheap lashes, not cheap, like dollar-wise. I'm not sure. I mean, they kind of look cheap, but I know that if you rough lashes up, they look more suitable, I guess. I really don't know. I've seen this on Instagram. Using Duo Lash Glue. You can get this at the drugstore too, which is nice because this is like good stuff. But they're really hard to like, the inner corner does not want to stay on. Come on, baby, you could stay there. So there's the end of my drugstore budget-friendly first impressions. We had some hits, we had some misses. Let's go over this. So all the e.l.f. products were the bomb. I use the camo concealer every day in my everyday routine. One of the things I did not like was the MUA setting powder under my eyes. I just took it off. Then I did not like the Wet n Wild bronzer. It just kind of really messed up my skin and I didn't like it that much. Also, the foundation, the LA Girl foundation, it's okay, but just keep away from your under eyes because it just creases and it doesn't look right. Also, I actually really loved this e.l.f. palette, the Opposites Attract. It's a really good palette. I have it on my cheeks, my eyes, and all of that. Let's go over the brow pencil. The brow pencil is, sorry, there's a train. The brow pencil is Brow This Way Rimmel brow pencil. So it's like a pomade brow pencil. I do like it, but I recommend this for people who have brows, like hair already in their brows. So if you have transparent hair or like very sparse hair, I don't recommend this. But if you have brows that have hair already, I like this because it kind of keeps your hair in check. You know what I mean? Like it won't be all, it just like kind of keeps it there. So it's like waxy. All the e.l.f. brushes were amazing. This one does kind of skip. I prefer I don't know, I just feel like it's not, I don't know, flexible enough. You guys have to run out, literally run out and get these sponges. They are phenomenal. I love these sponges. And yeah, so that is the end of this tutorial. I did not like the setting spray. It just smelled too much for me. And then the mascara it's a mascara. I don't really like mascaras. I like wearing falsies. These falsies are not the best. They ping off, so there is that. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys want to see me do a full face drugstore tutorial, sorry, I'm having a hard time speaking today, so I have to like use my hands. So if you want to see a full face drugstore tutorial on products that I know work amazing, let me know. Like I said, the foundation and the concealer and the way it reacted on my face wasn't the best today. And yeah, the base makeup isn't the best. But the eyes, I really love that palette. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. All products will be down below, and I will see you guys later.